These days I wake up and I hear lamentations from our friends in Kavule. Because nobody knows how they make decisions. Surely, I don't know whether they have some shrine where they go. Because that can only be the way, because nobody knows. It's not in their constitution. I have it in the constitution. They don't hold primaries. I hear they have a marking scheme. Then our friends of the National Resistance Movement, it was like a kung fu tournament. In some cases, it degenerated into gunfights. Then these ones of DF, they called a rally and declared it a delegates conference. Now, if you're a dog, you go where they throw bones at you. You don't go where they're throwing stones at you. You would be a very stupid dog who wants to die. Because no dog eats stones. So if I'm moving in an area and I'm not being welcome, even Jesus said, if you go to a place and people don't welcome you, kick even the dust from the soles of your shoe and move on. So you can now call DP, in the language of Noah's Ark, you call it Mao's Ark now. Those who are fleeing the storms from elsewhere can now come to our Noah's Ark. As for us, we can announce that we have become a beacon of hope, particularly for those who were mistreated in some of the primary processes. We are now waiting to receive back some of our prodigal children. Remember, we never chased them. Those who went to NUP. We said, we will not run after the prodigal children because they know the way home. Already we are receiving calls. So we will welcome them back unconditionally. There's no question about that. They are welcome. Of course, we must carry out rituals, cleansing, you know. Emikolo. Tuino kubakola ke emikolo. You know, you so that you are welcomed back.